Every morning, I wake up at 7 a.m. sharp. It's always a struggle to get out of bed, but I remind myself that a new day brings new opportunities. I start by brushing my teeth and washing my face. The cold water helps me feel more awake. After that, I head to the kitchen to prepare my breakfast. I usually have a bowl of cereal with milk and a glass of orange juice. I like to add some fresh fruit to my cereal, like strawberries or bananas, to make it more delicious and nutritious. Once I've finished eating, I take a few moments to plan my day. I make a to-do list of the tasks I need to complete, whether they are work-related or personal chores. This helps me stay organized and focused. By 8 a.m., I'm ready to face the day ahead.